So I am a huge fan of the Traveler's Notebooks. As you can see, I have several and they are used for a variety of different things. The passport size I use as a wallet, and I've set it up kind of fun. I use the envelopes from Midori, and this is like my cash envelope system. Obviously there's no cash in there, but also I use the little calendar for meal planning, and in the back I can put grocery lists. I can put some other things back in here. Receipts, if I want to keep up with receipts. So this is really like a financial planning wallet for me. This one, I am in the Tampa Bay Letter Writers Club, and this is where I keep all my Tampa Bay letter writers information. This is like a hodgepodge of inserts. So I have this plastic on the outside that keeps where I keep all my stamps and a dashboard. I have a plain Midori insert here which has addresses, and I don't want to share those, but that's what's in there. I have an envelope here where I keep postcards. This is a homemade insert that I put together that just has some notes about our club and things like that. And I've done a little bit of junk journaling just to house everything to do with the club. These here, these two I use for work and project management. So I do not want to share a lot of details about those, but I love the system so much. It's very nice because I can use a lot of different inserts for projects and things like that that are happening in my day job. This one I use for my journaling, and I do journaling several different kinds of ways, but the insert that's in here is what I'm currently working on, and then I archive my journals in these wonderful Midori binders because they look really nice and clean on my bookshelf. My favorite insert for journaling is the 019, and it's the one where you have a calendar on one side and grid paper on the other side. So usually what I do is I'll just do a little bit of gratitude journaling over here and some type of art, sketching, collaging, painting, what have you. And I always decorate the covers too. I'm kind of weird like that, but I like to decorate the outside with just fun paper. I also will hack an existing insert and make my own. And I will put in it writing paper. I will put watercolor paper, so I have my writing paper, watercolor paper, and then I will also have some vintage book paper so that I can do some just random collaging, because that's just an easy way to get some creative juices flowing. So yeah, that's an example of how I use my Traveler's Notebook.